Hi guys, Paul from Octane Junkies. Just wanted to make a quick video really. It's a bit of an update from the last video you probably seen with me and Matt. When we realised that my MX5 had sprung a leak from the back of the block. It turned out to be the oil feed to the turbo. So I bought my car already turbocharged and they took the feed from the head, which isn't the greatest thing to do as the pressure's pretty low from the head and should really go from the oil pressure sensor. So I've done that, rectified that issue. As you can see, the oil feed now runs all the way around the engine, down underneath, and ends up somewhere down there in an adapter for the oil pressure sensor. What I have had since I owned the car was a strong smell of fuel. You could see near the injectors it was wet, but it wasn't causing too many issues. But I thought, you know what, I'll pull the intake off, the intake manifold off, and pull the injectors and find out what's what. And this is what I found. So this is a Bosch EV14 640cc injector. You can see the head is absolutely crushed. So doing some digging, what I have realised is that on the fuel rail itself, when you put these injectors in, there should be spacers. Mine didn't have spacers. And to get the nuts off the fuel rail, it was pretty tough. Again, reading up, they should only be torqued up to 16 or so pounds-foot of torque. So yeah, what I think's happened is there's been no spacers. Whoever put these in has absolutely cranked the injector rail down, caused this to bend a little bit, and that's been obviously not sitting right in the cylinder, but it's also squashed the tip under here as well. So just show you that. I don't know if you can see, but that's deformed as well, and that's where it's been basically leaking out fuel everywhere. This might explain why I've got a misfire at the top of the rev range when I'm on track. Usually in third, fourth, fifth gear, it'll misfire heavily up the top of the rev range. So I'm going to fly down to Boffy Racing at some point this week. Hopefully they can sort me one of these out. I know they do a full kit, but the other injectors look fine. It's just this one. Get some spacers and hopefully back up and running for Gravity Car Show, which is the 9th or 10th of July, as I've got this car coming. But yeah, that's just a quick update. Next video will be hopefully when I put the injectors back in, fire it up, and we're all good to go. Cheers guys, Paul from Octane Junkies Northwest. See you soon.